Teaching letters doesn't have to be boring. Let's make it fun, hands-on, and totally unforgettable. Start with a giant letter craft. Cut, color, decorate. Let your child own their letter of the week. Next, go on a scavenger hunt. Find 5 things that start with your special letter. A is for apple, acorn, alligator. Mix in simple worksheets that focus on letter tracing and coloring. Bonus points for stickers. Turn digital flashcards into screen time fun. Memory game, find the match. Learning on the move. End the day with a themed snack. Apple slices, or in the shape of an A if you're creative. Repeat it each week with a new letter, and watch your child fall in love with learning. Celebrate every letter. Display their work, and let them feel like a learning superstar. Try this at home and subscribe for more preschool fun. Until next time, keep loving, keep learning.